Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer a parking pass on Ticketmaster in 2026. So if you have purchased a parking pass, you need to send it to a friend or driver. This updated guide will walk you through the exact steps. So first of all, you need to open your Ticketmaster application on your phone. After opening it, simply click on the option of My Events tab in the bottom. This is going to be the third tab. So when you tap on it, it is going to show you all of your upcoming events. So here among your upcoming events, you just have to simply look for the parking pass because your parking pass will also be available in it. So when you tap on the option of parking pass, it is going to show you, or it is going to look something like this. So here in the bottom of it, you are going to see the transfer option and the sell option. So here click on the option of transfer first. If you don't see this option, it means that the event organizer has not enabled the transfers for parking passes. Now on the transfer screen, you just have to enter the recipient's email address and their phone number. So this must be the contact where Ticketmaster is going to send the parking pass. After that, simply hit the next button and confirm your send. So once this is done, the recipient is going to receive the accept button on their email address or their phone number. So when they click on the option of accept, they are going to see this type of QR code in their application. So here they will have the option of add to wallet and add to Google Wallet. So they can add the parking pass in whichever wallet they want to add. So this is how they can basically claim the parking pass. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.